Why sit in a lecture hall when you could be on a shop floor building the machines that keep America moving? Don't just dream about it, start building it at Mach 1 today. If you've just graduated high school and you love cars and machines and robots and college just isn't your thing, listen to this. Watching friends go into massive debt for degrees they might not even use while you're stuck in dead-end jobs is absolutely frustrating. In less than 1 year, you can go from tinkering in your garage to building, servicing, maintaining, and programming machines for a really good living. The Mach 1 Mechatronics Academy teaches you all of those topics, from machining all the way to PLC programming, without spending 4 years in a classroom. Take Carson, for example. At 19 years old, he loved working on electrical systems and hated sitting in college lectures. He was working at a department store for $16 an hour, and now, after 6 months, before he even graduated, he landed a job making over $20 an hour with a vehicle allowance, servicing machines all over Michigan. He didn't have any prior training or experience working on machines. All he needed was a chance and some training. At Mach 1 Mechatronics Academy, you'll get experience in machining, electronics, PLC programming, robotics. These are the skills that employers all across America are begging for. These are skills that are going to get you a job. A 4-year degree can cost you $80,000 to $160,000. Plus, it can take up to 4 to 6 years to complete those. Mach 1, cost-wise, a fraction of that. Plus, in less than a year, you're going to be working and making that money back. Our program is less than $20,000, and we offer payment plan options and employer-led scholarships. We have direct connections to employers in Michigan who currently hire our students and graduates. If you're not sure what you want to do, maybe you're worried about job security or even how to pay for the tuition, a lot of our students feel the same. And with our expert guidance, we're able to guide you through all the course topics for you to be able to set your sights on what you truly love. Is there job security? Absolutely. There are hundreds of open technician jobs all across America, and financing is not that big of a deal. Through our payment plan options, you can get trained now and pay later. Plus, most of our students work part-time during school. If you complete our program and don't receive at least one interview opportunity within 90 days of graduation, we'll refund your tuition. Stop wasting your time and start building your future. Click below to apply and call us with your questions. Mach 1 isn't just a school, it's the fast lane to a hands-on career doing work you love.